We've got a lot of new promos. Y'all kind of see we're a little slim right now.
Right.
We are expecting to have a lot of new stuff, a lot of big promotions coming up. All right, here's what we got on sale today. Today we've got a variety of lights. We've got different lights. We've got the lights that take your 14-volt batteries. We've got lights that have their own internal batteries. Floodlight. We've got magnetic lights with internal batteries. Magnetic, swiveling, and bright. We won't shine at the camera. Well, the battery's dead on this one. Right, there it is.
There we go.
There. Battery's dying on it.
Yeah.
So it is actually a lot brighter than that. We've also got the one that takes your 14 volt. Now this one don't shine the camera right at it.
Okay. I've seen that
4,000 lumens.
Man.
Runs off its own internal battery, or you can plug it in with a long heavy duty cord so you can run all night long, however long you need to do your work.
It's not 18 volt?
That is not 18 volt.
Okay.
We do make an 18 volt version of it. The battery pops in right there.
Right.
We've also got our cordless 18 volt drills. $50 minimum trade-in deal going on right now.
Right.
And they do not come with batteries. These are down to $284.
So these are not the brushes, right?
These are not the brushes yet. Hopefully those will be coming soon.
Okay.
We've also got all the wrench kits on sale. Your basic wrench set is 10 to 19.
Right.
Do most people own that? Well, what about taking it bigger? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Right.
Really good pricing on that. That sticker's not $334 or $343.
Right.
All the pry bars, we got red, green, and black. Down to $161, normally $233. We've got our extra long blue point pliers down to $58.
Yeah, I just bought those.
And snap ring pliers. I've got red or orange left. We did have green. We sold the last set earlier. So snap ring pliers.
How they change it up with the push button.
Let me show you how that works.
All right.
So it's really, really simple. Instead of having to mess with the screw, hit the button. Now we're doing external snap rings. Now we're doing internal. So the only thing you need to do as soon as you lock it in, wiggle a little. Make sure you set that. So wiggle it just a hair. So we've got all that going on. It's about what we got this week besides this beautiful box. 68-inch Epic, black trim, and red drawers. Got the beautiful big, deep 6-inch drawer. Something new that some people haven't seen is the speed drawer. This comes with all the organization stuff. Here's all our dividers right here. Put all your dividers in there. Hack it all up. All those little nuts and bolts and everything like that you normally have to chase and dig through. Fuses, relays. You can have them all organized. Carbide burrs, adapters. All right there. If you don't want to use it, you've got a drawer. It comes with a mat.
Right. What's it called? Is the candy apple red?
Candy apple red, black trim.
Black trim. It's a nice one. 68-inch. Now make sure y'all give me my commission. Y'all sell this box. I like this one too.
This is our new cordless cart. It has a power outlet in here. Here's kind of the gist of how your top will look once you put all your tools in it.
Right.
So you got all your holster systems, fast in, fast out, get to work quick. You've got your drawers. It does have a larger version of the speed drawer. Here's some of the layouts that you can do with the speed drawer right there.
Oh yeah.
Right there, you can change it up, make it how you want it.
Man, I really wish my box had a speed drawer.
We can trade it in.
Yeah, I know you will. I know you will too. Man. Guess I don't need none this week.
The tool show was in Florida,
Right.
yes sir, Orlando, Florida, Gaylord Conference Center. We've got a lot of new promos. Y'all kind of see we're a little slim right now.
Right.
We are expecting to have a lot of new stuff, a lot of big promotions coming up in the next couple of weeks. Had fun, spent too much money on tools that pass deals on to y'all.
Yeah. Man.
It had 6, 8, and 10, but I haven't seen it since.
So this one and this
I
one
mean,
are
I
the
don't
same.
mind the blue point, really. I don't mind the blue point. It's either, whichever one, I think, because this one will be, this one will be better. Because you use this one in the shop, the 10 and the 1032.
Yeah. But this one didn't have a 1032.
But this one's got the metric though, but it doesn't have a 1024, which this one does. That's the one we were cutting the other day.
Right. But it don't have a metric.
Yeah. So it's
hell, just get both of them. How much of them?
How much is this one?
$20 a piece.
Hell, if they had both one metric and one standard,
yeah,
that would be great. But
43.
43, I'm taking that one. I'm taking that one. I'm just debating if we use this one enough. I don't think I've ever had a cut an M4 or an M5 ever.
Now we normally just buy the correct length, but
Yeah, but
when it's in the middle of the night, I know. Can't order it, gotta get it done.
how
Blah,
much
blah.
would this one be?
Blah blah blah.
Well, I'm trying to see if they got one just straight metric. Because if they have one straight metric, I'll just buy that one. But I don't see. Oh, look at this one. This one looks even better.
Yeah, that's a point number.
I got the one in
Bluetooth
I got the
earbuds.
other one.
Okay, that one's warranty.
Yeah, that was warranty. Let me go.
All right, guys. Another week. Snap on Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like, comment. Once again, guys, thanks for watching.